Welcome back to Everything Sunny 3 AM. My name is Yawg. As you can see, we are playing ourselves some more Space Marine. We are heading out. We're going to be going up to the Titan so that we can fire off a giant cannon and hopefully stop the chaos invasion that I kind of helped start there. Yeah, my bad. My bad. Wasn't what I wanted to be doing, but yeah, apparently Drogon, who I thought was a bad guy the entire time, turned out to be a bad guy, but not really. Turned out he was a puppet, which seems a little odd. Like, why wouldn't he just be a chaos servant, right? And then they're like, but chaos has been here, which usually means Marines, I guess, or chaos servants or something. What's this? There we go. Ooh, hello. Yay! God damn it. I want to get all these Titan Manufactorum dudes and all that other kind of shit. Anyway, let's get a go. Move on to the Titan.
The demon killed Inquisitor Drogon and possessed his body.
Yeah, it sounds a little stupid to me too, sir.
Alone, there was no way the demon could get the power source past 1 million orcs. It needed help. And we obliged. I was deceived. I am responsible for chaos breaking through to
Is that a Titan hammer? Fuck. Yeah. Alright, is that a laser gun? No, I don't know if I need Stalker Bolter anymore. No, we need this. We need some pain. We need to bring that pain. Ooh. Are you fucking shitting me? Really? I got an Iron Halo now? Fuck yeah, am I getting a little tutorial on the Iron Halo? Yeah, there we go. Personal shield. Halos are rare that only Ultramarine captains and company champions are authorized to use them. Yeah. So that means extra shields? I think. Something like that. I don't know. Whew. Uh-oh.
Ultramarines, attack!
Murder people in the face! Look at this fucker. Come here, you little fuck. No. Yeah! Die, chaos fuck! I said, die, chaos fuckers! Yep. Healed! We are healed! Whew. Damn! Oh, you're going down here. Yeah! Who else? Oh, more Chaos Marines! Come here, you little sons of bitches. Hey, Heretic Legions. Hey, buddy. You got anything on me, buddy? You really got something there? Uh-huh. You ain't got shit! Oh, fucking stop bitching, man. I'm gonna get him eventually. Did I kill 2 of them? Yeah, I did. Love it. Oh, we're going that way. Good. I knew that. I knew we were going this way. Alright. And up. Is that a laser gun? That's a laser gun, though, right? Is that a... Really? Oh, it's a melted gun. I have one of those. I did not know that. Okay, well.
Captain, duty requires that I put voice to my concerns.
Speak, then.
You held the unshielded power source again, Captain. And again, you emerged from the exposure unscathed.
Yep. You got a point? Oh, we got a cutscene for this.
Astartes warns that those in league with Chaos can withstand the warp's touch.
You forget yourself, Ultramarine. Leandros, I do not take this warp resistance lightly.
Yeah.
The search for answers must wait until after we deal with this Chaos invasion.
What if that is too late?
Leandros,
What?
Enough. We need to keep moving.
Yeah. I don't really like you mouthing off to me, friend. Guy, buddy, pal, whatever. Alright, let's get him. Oh, okay, wait. I guess I could go up on the stairs, see if there's something up there. Squad broken! Somebody's gonna get that joke. That's the sad part. One of us out there is gonna be like, squad broken? That's kinda like the thing. Oh no.
Send a runner to the depot at position Alpha. Let's go.
You're not leading this raid.
Of course I am.
Lieutenant, we need you in one piece. Let's face it, you're holding us together out here, and if you get...
Aw. My girlfriend's doing stuff. I like that. She actually does kind of remind me a lot of my girlfriend. Same can-do attitude and same, yeah, I don't have to deal with your shit, you know, kind of feelings. And she really doesn't. That's the sad part. She knows that and I know it. Oh, are these Ultramarine? They are... what? Chaos fuckers? They're Chaos fuckers.
Brothers, attack!
Yeah? How'd that work out for you, buddy? You know what? Fuck this shit. Come here. Come on, go down, bitch. Yeah. Am I? Am I really weak? Yeah, tell your mama that. Looks like the Emperor's might protects. I don't know about you guys. I don't see the Chaos Gods protecting. I don't remember that part of the litany. You know, they're hearing the Chaos protects. No, it doesn't sound right, does it? Sounds like, from what I understand. Oh yeah, don't worry, bro. Y'all all right? Y'all doing good? We're good.
Guardsman, report.
Hey.
Lord Space Marine. They were on us almost immediately.
Captain Titus, are you there?
Hell yeah, I am, baby.
This is
How you doing?
Lieutenant Mira. This whole planet has gone mad.
The forces of chaos are invading this world.
Yeah.
Let's get
Fuck
to the Titan and
bees.
destroy that warp gate.
I know what route to take. I deployed troops to man outposts between the Calcus facility and Bastion Primus. From there, you can access the rail network and cross to Manufactorum Ajakis.
Understood. I will meet you there.
For that sweet ass of yours. Okay, so none of that I don't really care about. Yeah. What do we got going on over here? Woo! What do we got? So it's basically whoever I want to start working with. I am not going to be dealing with these rocket fuckers, though. I'll tell you that right though. Yeah, coming for you. Nah. Yep, I know. I feel kind of bad. I'm dealing with the orcs cover before I can do anything else over here. They're gonna get slaughtered out there. You know what? Oh shit! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Who's hitting me? Who's hitting me? Oh, ran into the wall. Yawg just hit the wall. Never had it all. 18 bits a day, Shot up a CPA. Wait, no. No, I didn't. I didn't do that in Cincinnati in 1988. No. What? Yeah. Now I'm going to have somebody whose CPA daddy got killed in 1980 after me. No, I didn't. I was like 3. I really didn't. I want that to be something that everybody knows. Oh, shit! Woohoo! Double shot. No more. What's this fucker doing? Come here. Yeah! I gotta tell you, the laser gun thing for the Chaos guys is hilarious to me. Oh, look at you! Look at you guys. Let's go up here and deal with some dudes. Hello. How are you, honey? You son of a bitch. I don't need to be anywhere near you to kill you. Yeah, fuck it. I'm coming in, it's the P train! P train! P train! Oh no, Leandros, you got shot by somebody. Oh, I'm so sorry. Maybe you have Chaos Warp or something on you now. Oh shit! Somebody was behind me. Damn it! This is what I get funny. If trying to be funny. Come on. Let's do this. Where am I at? Am I at before? Shit. Right over here. Okay. God damn, this is a big ass battle too. All right, so. Same as before, deal with the guys on the high ground, then deal with the guys on the low ground. Gentlemen, pleased to meet you again. Whoop. Whoa, down here now. Going back up here. Whoa, don't fall off again. Damn it. Yay! A visible violent death. Son of the true emperor. We're working on it. Come here. And down. And smoosh. That is the best way to make julienne fries by the Emperor's will. Shall be done. Yep, getting it done. Y'all are big believers. Y'all got hope in your hearts, don't you? Oop, going up. You feel like dancing, buddy? Dancing all the time. What do we got over here? Okay. Come on. Shit. Coming down. Alright. Gonna try it one more time. Let's do this. Get our murder time on. murder time. Come on, grab your friends. We'll murder everyone in lands. And sea and in the air. Because it's murder time. That's what we do. Hey, get him. Okay. Who else? Who? Where? There's dudes up here? You know what? Fuck that shit. No, we're going up. We're going upstairs. Come on, guys. No. Stop it. Stop it. We are... No wonder I got my ass handed to me. Come on, baby. Go.
An occupation. Now the tender mercies of Chaos heretics. I'm surprised the place is standing at all.
You know, I just realized that I left 3 guardsmen just to kind of chill back there. Well, good luck. I like how I look I'm about to pound somebody's head in. Maybe Leandros will mouth off to me again and I can accidentally kill him.
How can we face them?
By sucking up and not being a bitch.
Trooper, get yourself together right now.
Yes, Mom.
Yo.
The platoons are going to fall back.
Hello,
towards Bastion.
sweetness. How you doing?
Hold this position,
Uh-huh.
or they'll be cut off.
Yeah, no, that's
Greetings, Ultramarines.
Sup?
What is your situation?
There you going.
As well as can be hoped, considering we are surrounded on all sides by
Yep.
the enemy horde.
What?
We're heading back to the command post, Captain.
Oh, good. You go ahead, honey. Yeah, no, you stay in the front. Oh, okay, whatever. All right, you're not gonna let me stay behind you the entire time. Let's do this.
Kill them Space Marines!
That would be fucking impressive as hell to me. No. Thank you. God, I hate these fucking rocket guys. And now that's all it is. It's just rockets and flashy gits and... Because that's the only ones that can be a fucking threat to me anymore. Normal dudes, nope. Oh shit! I'm just like... Damn it!
This is measured in blood.
Yeah. I didn't see those other dudes coming up behind me. I didn't realize I got my ass handed to me. Got taken like 18 rockets to the face. And I wonder why the little helmet thing isn't working. I probably should switch back over to the axe, since that'd probably work a little bit better than this. Oh, look at you. God damn it, really? Come here. Damn it, there's a lot of dudes there. Fuck it. We're going back here. We're killing all these rocket guys. Oh, Mira, my bad. Whoa, honey, come on. I am trying to kill some orcs here, hun. What is going on? You good? We good? We're all good. Oh, look, a servitor thingy. Huzzah! Okay. Alright. Laser gun. Switch vengeance launcher for laser cannon. Hell yeah. Let's see. Do we have anything a little bit more? Yeah, okay. There we go. Gonna have to switch over. Need to move faster. Thing over in that corner. Nope. Wow. We have a mess of dudes up here, don't we? Hi, June.
Not for long.
He just keeps staring him forward. Oh, did I kill all those dudes? I killed all those dudes. Alright. Awesome. Is that Mira? Oh, no. Fuck yeah, dude. Come on. Oh, I am out of fucking... You know what? Fuck it. Is that a killer clan? Or can clan? Oh, it's one of these guys. Alright, cool. Yep. Yay. Got my ammo back. Oh, shit. Wow! I think that guardsman's actually a little bit better off than I am. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's a novel way of doing things. God damn, that got intense. Where? Ooh, ammo. Did I save any of the guards? Ah, no, I don't think I did. Nope. Doesn't look like it. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. I kind of feel... Oh, hey! Look, there's one.
Well
hey,
met,
buddy.
Mira.
Jonah, I half expected to find a demon chewing on your bone.
Ah, shit.
Spit me right out.
Make your report, Jonah.
The Greenskins have been pressing us hard.
Okay.
Both down here and at the Bastion proper.
Get ready to fall back to the Bastion. Do not engage Chaos forces directly until I get reinforcements down here to back you up.
So,
Aye, Lieutenant.
what's going on here? What's your name, bro? How's it going? Huh? Huh? You making eyes at my lady, bro? Is that how things are going? Huh? Huh? We gonna have a problem? Huh, bro? Bro? What? What? Oh, I see how it is. Oh, you don't even want to pay attention to me. Want to keep talking to my lady, huh? Is that how things are happening? That's how it's going, bro? Yeah. No, I don't think I'm gonna like that. No, don't think that's cool, bro. I think you need to step off, you Corsican bastard. Yeah, maybe take a... Oh, I see. Think of you being smart right now, huh? Won't even acknowledge that I'm here. I see how things are going. Yeah, no, you just keep doing so. No, I was moving you towards her. That was wrong. You know what? You and I are gonna have words. Yeah, you and I, sir. We're gonna have some words later. Ma'am, Miss Pretty Lady, you go do your thing. I'm gonna talk to that guy later. And I hope you do your thing and come back and see us next time on Everything's Funny at 3 a.m. I hope that was funny. See you then.